Hi guys and welcome to Autocraft Motor Caravans. This is a quick introductory video just to talk about our TV range and what you can get from ourselves. So we sell several headrest brackets, aerials, 19-inch TVs, 24-inch TVs. We've gone to the effort of building these TVs into different kits just to make your life easy as the end user. In this particular video we're going to be talking about the 19-inch Smart TV and Smart TV with DVD. Now this is a great TV with so many features. The new perfect pitch sound system, which is the soundbar, satellite turner built in with FreeSat, Bluetooth connectivity, 2 HDMI points, USB points also. We fit it to a headrest bracket which mounts really nicely on the back of the headrest. You can find out all the measurements and the maximum and minimum sizes for your headrest on the listing below. The third and final part of the kit that we use in our vehicles is this magnetic aerial. We've had great success and we've tried and tested this in several places and areas, as well as being away on holiday ourselves, and it's simple to use, so all you do is place it on the roof and you'll pick up some fantastic Freeview channels. Thank you for watching another one of our videos. I hope it's been informative and it's helped make your decision. If you are looking for any other products, then please check out our listings, and thanks once again for watching.